Hey, this is Mushy Potatoes, and this video is just gonna be me in a Nerf war with Comedy Central. And yeah, so there's some parts like he was gonna record it on his Chromebook, but he decided not to, so there's a lot of cut out parts, so this video didn't get too long and boring also, yeah, so that's basically it. So just to warn you, I sounded extremely cringy in this video, so just saying that right now.
Oh, it's jam! Oh, you actually missed? Oh my god. This is gonna be long. Wait, I wonder if this is even filming. Did I hit? I hit. Alright, end of round one.
I really shouldn't have.
So.
2 guns at the same time.
Yep, I win that one.
There is a lot of cut, like,
actually, it won't.
My cut speaking in it because all the stopping and stuff, so yeah.
Yeah, my gun jams.
Did you see what I was doing? I was going like this.
Alright, yeah, that's on camera now.
Behind the scenes.
That's on camera now.
Ready, set,
go. I cut this sound out from this clip. It's a long clip, but because I said Comedy Central's name, so I just kind of wanted to protect his identity. I said his real name, so yeah, I just wanted to protect his identity. And it was a long clip because it was a very long silence. So, yeah.
Oh, not even a hit? Oh, so close. Oh, well, you guys, hey, Drake's channel watchers, you have to go.
Gotcha.
I got you first, but who cares? You win that round.
They were stuck back there. Can we switch spots?
Sure, why not?
Alright, let's go.
But move the camera position. I'm actually gonna move it for you. So hey guys, subscribe to me. I'm just gonna put it right here. Jeez, oh Pete.
Subscribe to me.
They already know it's your channel.
Well, who knows? They might not have subscribed.
You say that in every one of your videos, so I bet they know. Hey, can you guys see me? Woohoo! I'm hitting my gun.
The back room we were using.
It's called the bathroom.
Yeah, but there's a laundry. It's actually bigger than you think. Alright. So, let's go.
3, 2, 1, go. Round 3. This is gonna be a slow round.
It's you. Oh, damn. You know what?
Got you. That was a quick round.
I don't even care. I was in a really weird position.
Yeah.
And I'm just glad to be out of it. Let's do this. We're almost done.
I need one more round to actually win this.
Alright, final round.
Wait, no, it's not the final round.
Alright, final round.
It's not the final round, it's just the third round. If I get this, though, I win.
Alright. If I get it, then we do another round as a tiebreaker.
Uh-huh.
Alright. And we're
Round
in with the
3.
third round. If he wins the whole
Then you have to
whole
subscribe.
game. If I win, we do another round. That decides it. Alright. Are you ready? I am going.
I need to do the teabag on me or something.
One
Halo
Punch Man
special.
style. One shot. Actually, no. This is basic.
You would fail at the one shot.
Is the pistol. Oh no.
Check it, jam.
Alright. Alright, ready? Wait.
Alright.
Ready? Set. Go.
hit you?
No.
I think I hit you. Viewers on my channel would comment and subscribe. Oh,
Got you.
and my thumb got you. Yeah.
Or wait.
Round 5, actually. We each won
Yeah.
2. So let's do this quick. Let's do this quick.
Alright, round 5. Let's go. Quick. I'm using this.
Tiebreaker. This is a tiebreaker.
Yeah. Alright. Tiebreaker. 3,
2, 1, go. Oh, that shot sucked. Oh!
Dang it. Hit.
Ah! Mushy potatoes is the
Mushy
victor.
wins.
Hey, I was victorious. Hey. Oh, I just ran out of shots.
Oh, you ran out?
That was my last shot, so
This is the gun kept
reload
hitting me with.
this.
Ah.
Hey, I actually won. So that's probably going to be it for this video.